The guy at the blue wall, the window. Hey, Ramon, come here. Come here, Russo. No, come here, come here. Okay. See that window?
Yeah.
There's a guy behind it. Keep him down, all right?
Blue?
Yeah.
All right, go.
Just shoot him and run. Go.
He's in the back of the city, in the castle.